My good people. Today, as you all know, Orlando Pirates and Sekhukhune United is playing live on SABC One. 3 o'clock. So I want you before the match starts, and I want you to comment for me. Let me know which team do you think is gonna win today. Yeah, and you saw the lineup, ne? I'm so super excited. Comment in the comment section. One favor, like which team are you winning? Which team is winning, and then why are you saying that? Yeah, tell us kanjalo bafethu. Yo, Orlando Pirates, maboko kumabaka baka. If it's the first guy to get 91 million views on YouTube in 1 hour. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, switch on the notification bell, and then don't skip ads. Don't skip ads when the videos play. Thank you.